Hello everyone, my name is Gerard and I am back. Okay, as you know, I'm the cringiest YouTuber. Says a ton of people at school and home. And so we are gaming to do. I need to know what we're going to do in this episode. It's a toy review! Yay! It's a toy review. So, also check out the Snapchat picture that I just took. And we'll see before this video. So, I'm going to put the camera down in a second. I want to review this. So, yeah. Set you right there. It's a toy review. Now, this thing looks amazing. Oh. Yeah. Didn't turn on. So. So, I've heard it can shoot. On the button. That was cool. It literally went. So, yeah, toy review, a cringy toy review. Continuous. Oh, I know what this can be used for, actually. You know that rifle in Transformers Age of Extinction? Fine, I'll show you. That thing. Right there. That's the gun. War never changes. That's pretty cool. Like how you can just move it. Oh, like. Ow! That's actually pretty cool. Do you want to like prank your friends with this? Like shoot them at their wedding or something if you're that brutal. Awesome. 10 out of 10. This is very hard. This is just amusing. Got this for $180. What does my life come to? It came to being cool. So, our next toy that we are going to review in exactly 1 minute and 4 seconds on the toy. I'm just kidding. We're going to review it right. Crap, my chapsticks. There. A a Swiss Army knife. Yes, I call this a toy, don't judge. I don't think I'm even going to upload this video. If I do, I want every single one of you to type in cringe in the comments below, and also like and subscribe. Shortest toy review. Don't judge, I call it a toy. No, it's real blade and crap. So, stick by. Next one. So let me show you this. To stick by. Stick by. I can see how this can be a sex toy for some people. That's pretty fun. 10 out of 10 too. A Swiss Army knife. All of these are 10 out of 10s. So, that's going to be the end of today's video. The cringiest toy review in the world ever. Okay, this ain't with my thumb. This is actually with a Lego. So, to tell you the truth, guys. Ow. I hope y'all enjoyed the little music. Because God is ascending. So, yeah, guys. I'ma see you next video. Why are y'all still around here? Go.